First, you collect the sensor with the controller. Then we will do the calibration. Let's first do the calibration with the pH sensor. Click pH, then click calibration. And we will first do the temperature calibration. We put the sensor into clean water. Let's suppose this is the standard solution. Now, for the temperature calibration, we can use clean water. Put the sensor into clean water. Then you use a temperature measurement instrument to measure the temperature. Let's suppose the temperature is, when it's stable, it is 26 Celsius. Then click here, you input 26 times 10, that is 260, and enter. Then click calibration. So temperature calibration is done. You can see here this temperature. When the temperature number is stable, you do the temperature calibration. Then we will do the zero calibration for the pH sensor. We put the sensor into the standard solution. The zero standard solution for the pH sensor is 6.86. When you check the data, after 3 minutes, the data will be stable. It will be around 0.86. Then you click. There's no need to input anything. You do not have to put anything into here. Just click calibration. Then zero calibration is done. Now we will do the slope calibration. We first put the sensor into the standard solution. The standard solution for if the sensor is used in alkaline environment, we use 9.18 to do the slope calibration. If the environment is in acid solution, we use 4 to do slope calibration. Now the sensor is in the standard solution of 9.18. After 3 minutes, the data will around 9.18. Then you click calibration. You do not have to input anything. Click calibration, then the pH calibration is done. Now we come back to we will do DO calibration. Click calibration. There's no need to do temperature calibration because we have done it. For the salt compo, there's no need to do it. For the zero, there's no need to do it. We only need to do the slope calibration. We put the sensor into standard solution, air saturated water, and after 3 minutes, the data will be stable. Then you click calibration. Now the calibration for the oxygen sensor is done. We get back to turbidity calibration. Click calibration. The temperature calibration is not needed. We just do the zero calibration. Since the range you bought is 1000, we need to do zero calibration at 200 NTU standard solution. You put the sensor into 200 NTU standard solution. Then after 3 minutes, the data will around 200. Then you click here. You input 200 times 10. That is 2000. Then click enter. Then click calibration. The calibration of zero is done. Now we will do the slope calibration. We put the sensor into standard solution of 1000 NTU. Then after 3 minutes, the data here will show the value. After the value is stable, you click here. You input 1000 times 10, that is 10,000. Then click enter, then click calibration. The calibration of stability is done. At last, we will do the solidity calibration. Because I do not have solidity sensor here, so I just use the conductivity sensor as an example. You click here, click calibration. There's no need to do temperature calibration. We will do zero and slope calibration. For zero calibration of solidity sensor, we put the sensor into just outside. There's no need to put the sensor into the standard solution. You just leave it in the air. When the data is zero, after 3 minutes, it's stable. You click calibration, the calibration is done. For the slopes calibration, we need to put the sensor into standard solution of 35 PSU. You need to put the sensor into the standard solution. After 3 minutes, the data will be stable. Then here, you click here, you input 35 times 10, that is 350, and click enter, and click calibration. Now the calibration for the solidity is done. So now the calibration for the multi-parameter sensor is done. That's all.